We've got one to the midsection already. That is 1 point. Buddha Stevens.
Welcome to the 5 boroughs.
Let's see if Wang can recover. What a head kick!
Knockout! Winner!
Happy to be here.
Tough luck, Buddha!
Yamazuki. Punching block. Stronger base.
Windmill block. More dynamic. Hey, everything is a kung fu.
Yeah, well, no.
What happened to 2 branches, 1 tree?
One branch stronger than the other.
Round 2, 5 borough. Li Fong versus Queen's Tornado. That's the Yamazuki punch block.
Stop! Winner!
Next, easy win for Connor Day. Weather update, tornado down. Li Fong moving on. Winner! This is a glorified sparring session for Connor Day. Wow, making short work of the Lion's Mane. Winner! That's it, Connor Day advances to the final. There we go! Windmill block by Li Fong. Lights out, Barrett! Li Fong is moving on to the finals. Yo, boys.
Hold up, kid. Send it. Look out. Watch out. Mr. Hunt, watch out!
You want some?
Show him! Sidekick by Fong, slipped by Connor Day. Spinning hook kick to the face. Ooh, Day looks a lot faster in there. 3 points! Li Fong having a really hard time finding Connor Day. Side kick to the midsection. Connor Day admiring his work. Li Fong takes flight. Connor Day rounds him with a 1-arm body slam. You can't do that! Down goes Fong and the ref.
Xiao Li, get up. Get back in there.
Come on, Lee. Right back.
This is turning out to be a wipeout.
Come on, Lee.
There you go.
加油!
Stay balanced.
Stay focused.
Blocked by Fong, blocked by Fong, blocked by Fong, and here comes Li Fong. Boy, Fong!
That's our move.
Class classic 1-inch punch. Li Fong is finally on the board.
Can you survive?
Okay, Li Fong not afraid to go toe-to-toe. Reverse roundhouse kick.
I told him that.
No, I taught him that.
2 points! 2 points for the kick to the face. It's tied up. This is a fight now. We got a fight on our hands. Bomb! Counter! Point dead! Point bomb! He has taken the lead! Oh! Point bomb!
3 points. That's a headshot. That's a headshot for count a day. That's 2 points.
Hey! Stop!
No.
Stay there!
Hey.
No. It counts.
1,
Shut it!
2, 3.
Get up, kid!
4,
Come on, Lee.
5,
小丽 get up.
6, 7, 8, 9.
Yes! Come on, Lee! Kick his ass!
All tied up at 7. Next point wins it.
Let's go, corner. Let's run.
Point bomb! That is it! Point bomb! It is all over! 8 to 7! Li Fong, your new 5-borough champion!
Charlie!
Lee!
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. We're an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.